Hi ladies, how are you? Today, let's dive into a topic that often gets overlooked, but can make a world of difference in how you feel and present yourself. Prints and patterns in clothing. Did you know that the prints you wear can have a direct impact on how others perceive you, and even how you perceive yourself? Science backs this up. Studies in visual perception show that certain patterns can create illusions that alter proportions, make you appear older, or even clash with your natural coloring. For women over 60, selecting the right prints becomes even more important. The wrong ones can unintentionally emphasize features you'd rather downplay or make your look seem outdated. But don't worry, we're here to help you avoid those common pitfalls. Here are the 10 worst prints for women over 60 and the science behind why they don't work. 1. Busy florals. Florals that are too small or overly intricate can make an outfit feel overly fussy or old-fashioned. They can also overwhelm your figure, creating a chaotic rather than polished look. Instead, opt for larger, more spaced-out floral patterns that feel fresh and modern. 2. Animal prints gone wild. Leopard, zebra, or tiger prints in loud colors or excessive repetition can be aging. Why? Because these prints draw too much attention to themselves, overpowering your natural features. Stick to subtle or muted animal prints to add sophistication. 3. Clashing color combos. Bright clashing prints can throw off your skin tone and highlight fine lines or discoloration. Colors like neon yellow and hot pink together might feel fun, but can come across as garish. Instead, lean into harmonious muted tones for a refined look. Four. Horizontal stripes. It's no secret. Horizontal stripes can widen your frame. Research in visual illusion supports this. Our brains process horizontal lines as expanding, which may not be ideal if you're trying to create a sleeker silhouette. If you love stripes, opt for vertical or diagonal ones, which elongate the body. 5. Polka dots that are too small or too large. Microdots can feel outdated, while jumbo dots can overpower a petite frame. Both extremes can disrupt proportions, making you look either frumpy or cartoonish. Aim for moderate-sized polka dots to strike the right balance. Six. Camouflage prints. While trendy in certain circles, camouflage prints can come across as harsh and unflattering for women over 60. They lack the elegance and softness that flatter mature women. Try subtle, earthy patterns instead for a similar vibe without the harshness. 7. Geometric overload. Sharp, complex geometric patterns can appear too rigid and create visual noise, detracting from your overall look. Instead, go for softer, flowing patterns that complement your natural curves and soften your silhouette. Chic. Overly trendy prints. Fashion trends like psychedelic swirls or digital graphics might feel fun, but they often have a fast fashion vibe that doesn't translate well for a more mature wardrobe. Stick to timeless prints that feel elevated, like stripes, plaid, or understated florals. 9. Dark, heavy patterns. Dark prints with too much black or gray can drain the color from your complexion, making you appear tired or washed out. Instead, Opt for light and airy patterns with a balance of neutrals and soft colors. (10) Overcrowded prints. Prints with too many elements, think paisley with florals and stripes mixed in, can overwhelm your outfit and confuse the eye. The science here is simple. Our brains prefer clean, simple designs that feel balanced and easy to process. Final thought. Fashion is about expressing yourself, but it's also about enhancing your confidence and celebrating the beautiful woman you are at every age. By understanding the psychology and science of prints, you can make choices that feel empowering and age-appropriate without sacrificing style. Have you been guilty of wearing any of these prints? Let me know in the comments, and let's talk about prints you should embrace to elevate your wardrobe.